Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea or your double shot, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you subscribe and you want to see more, tap your notification bell so you never miss an upload. I just received my IPSY GLAM bag X for the month of February. If you're unfamiliar with the IPSY GLAM Bag X, this is a quarterly box where you receive 8 full-size products for $58 and it is supposed to have a value of $300. I love the GLAM Bag X. I think honestly the GLAM Bag X and the Boxy Luxe are my favorite boxes. Also, they are updating finally, even though they broke my heart and they didn't call themselves BOXYCHARM. If you need more information about the changes with IPSY and BOXYCHARM merging, I have a couple shorts videos if you want to check them out. But this I feel like is the best bang for your buck. And this month's curator is Bailey Frickinsarian. Gorgeous, funny, smart ass, honest, witty, obsessed. She's fantastic. I am going to say this doesn't feel very heavy, so I'm a little bit nervous. Also, I do not get any spoilers, so I have no idea what is in here or what could be in here. But we're going to dive in. Also, I've really been loving filming. I'm standing up and I have a little like pub table right in front of me that's supposed to be right there in my dining area. I'm loving filming right in front of my little glass door back here, so hopefully the lighting is okay. I like this. I like the vibes. I am sans makeup just in case we can try something on. We're gonna see. Hopefully that's not too loud. Okay, oh, right on top I'm already seeing stuff, so not that much of a spoiler, but they come like this. I always try to recycle and also reuse my packaging, padding, bubble wrap, things like that, because obviously I also do giveaways, pay things forward, I sell product, things like that. So each GLAM Bag X, which they are changing the name of, each GLAM Bag X is going to have a little pamphlet. I don't want to get any spoilers, so I don't want to look yet. So you can see it is curated this time by Bailey Frickinsarian. We will talk pricing, deets, all of that once we go through our box. Right on top, I see some hair clips. These are by Etika, and they're just hair clips. It is 3 claw clips. I do like that they are in more neutral shades. Obviously, I have short hair, so I don't know how much use I'm getting out of these, but I think they're cute. I think it's something that's nice to have in a box. Next, the hell? Rehab Dose 1.0 Hair Oil. Each dose contains a rich blend of Moroccan oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera, argan oil, and vitamins A, C, E, and B5. Rehab, strengthen and repair your damaged hair with a smooth and shiny finish. Frequent use for all hair types, and that is what they look like. Really cool, kind of unique idea. I know that skincare does this a lot. I don't know why they would do it for hair care. I'm ignorant to that, obviously. Because I don't really color my hair very often or mess with it very often after shaving my head a couple years ago, not something I'm personally going to use, and I don't really want to see 2 hair products in a box. That's just my personal opinione, but if you've tried these, let us know. All right, next up is a Ren Evercalm Gentle Cleansing Milk. Now that sounds fantastic. Clean to skin, clean to the planet, soothes and protects. Safe for sensitive skin. I really love Ren skincare, the few things that I have tried. It, of course, is a full-size product. Everything in here should be a full-size product. So this I'm really excited about. I do have very dry, textured, dehydrated skin. I have rosacea. We have mature skin. I'm excited about this. This is a win for me. This is a win. I love that. All right, next up is a Benefit Brow Micro Filling Pen 24-hour Micro Blade Effect in the shade Medium Brown. That is what that looks like. I am not a fan, although I have not tried one of these pens in a very long time, that I got like for $4 on Amazon quite a few years ago. I may try it just because I do use kind of a single pen, like a single stroke pen. If you've tried this, let me know what you think about it. I may test it out. So I don't know how I feel about that. I'm kind of on the fence, even though I love brow product because, you know, I ain't got no brows. Next is Grown Alchemist Regenerating Night Cream. That also sounds fantastic. That sounds incredible as well. Okay. That is time. Yeah. Come closer.
Closer. Closer. See how big this box is,
And this is probably, I mean, they're a pretty expensive brand. This is probably like 50 or 60 bucks. Why? Why? Am I excited as hell to have it? Yes. Yes, I am. All right. So for sure I have 2 keeps. And thus far we have 2 hair care, 2 skincare, which I love, and then 1 brow makeup product. Next up is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. One of my favorite mascaras of all time. Sadly, I don't like waterproof mascaras. So as excited as I am to have this, I will not be using this. So 2 makeup products. Next is a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm in Hint Hint. Now this I'm excited about. I love any type of lip treatment, lip oil, lip balm. I like the packaging. It kind of reminds me of the JOUER lip enhancer that I love and have been obsessed with for many, many, many years. Oh. I thought this was the cap. You pull it off and it would be like, you know, you go straight from here. I didn't realize it was a doe foot applicator. And I thought it would have some color, but it doesn't seem to have any color. Also, I cannot smell anything for y'all because my sniffer's been broke since having COVID. I'm sorry about that part. Ooh. I do not have a mirror either. That feels great. I think I'm smelling vanilla-ish. Baked goods, maybe. I don't know, you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, component I love. It was a little weird. I thought it was going to come straight from the tube. But this is the texture that I like, where it has a little bit of weightiness to it. Some grip, like a little bit of heaviness, where it's going to stay on the lips and actually continue to moisturize the lips. Not like you put it on and then 5 seconds later you ain't got nothing on your lips. Feels great. Okay. All right, y'all. We're happy. We got a couple of winners. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. And then I have one last thing. And let me get my box out of my way. Sorry, popcorn. All right. We have a palette. Sculpting and Contour. Oh, by Scott Barnes. The Contour Palette by Scott Barnes. It feels quite heavy. That feels really, really nice. I do like the packaging. Quite minimalistic. I don't like shit that has like somebody's name or somebody's picture big as heck like that, but that's my personal preference. They are cruelty-free, 24-month shelf life, and they are designed in USA and made in China. It does have a magnetic opening. Ooh, I like that these are actual cool tone shades for contour, not warm shades for bronzer. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to this simply because I have plenty, obviously, of product. If you've tested this, let me know. I do like the component. It feels quite luxe and quite weighty. Let's talk some deets, pricing and stuff like that. As far as like, I know for sure I'm keeping, I think I am going to try the brow pen, the Fenty product, the Grown Alchemist, and the Ren. So these are definite keeps. The other 4 products, the Better Than Sex, I know it's just a no for me, but if you like waterproof mascara and you got that, please try it. Do I feel like I've got my money's worth? I'm not sure. Let's look at some deeds. Okay. Okay, Grown Alchemist. Regenerating Night Cream with peptides, violet leaf extract is $125. That little ass tube is $125. Boost your beauty sleep with this overnight cream. It is packed with bioactive botanicals, neuropeptides, and glycoproteins that help repair, replenish, and hydrate your skin while you snooze. That is a lot of money for one product. And considering that our value is supposed to be over $300, if just one product's $125, I don't know. Anyways, next up was the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Microfilling Eyebrow Pen for $25. This triple pronged eyebrow pen creates the most realistic brow hairs in just a few strokes. And those are like my favorite types of brow products, I guess. I like to line just lightly right through here, and then I use a pen to just kind of make, you know, flicks, and then I use a brow gel. So $25, not bad. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. Your favorite mascara just got an upgrade. Now you can have luscious lashes and cry happy tears. That's $28. Next up was our Scott Barnes Sculpting and Contour #1 palette. Create cutting edge contoured looks with this makeup artist developed palette. That is $58. I feel like that's kind of on par for palette pricing. And then I also show you too what products we could have gotten. Next, Rehab Dose 1.0 Hair Oil Capsules are $33. That's a lot. Total Hair Rehab is just a squeeze away with these spill-proof capsules filled with the perfect amount of nourishing oils and antioxidants to get your stressed out strands looking smooth and shiny. My thing with that, or my fear with that, is if you're somebody that has very long, very thick hair, textured hair, coarse hair, curly hair, how many of these capsules are going to use? I don't know. I don't know about that. Next up was the Etika Neutral Hair Claw Set for $45. No. Say goodbye to flimsy hair claws that never stood a chance. This set of high-quality hair accessories puts a stylish twist on the classics and elevates your style. I would never, ever pay $45 for 3 effing clips. No, sorry. Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Gentle Cleansing Milk, $37. I feel like that's a fair price. That's a pretty big size. Help soothe your red, itchy, irritated, and dry skin. Winner, winner, RIRI dinner. Okay, this was made for me. Okay, with this milky, gentle, milky cleanser. I'm hella excited to try this. If you've tried this, let me know. It's marking all my boxes, checking all the boxes for me and what I'm looking for in skincare. I do not see this Fenty product unless I missed it, and perhaps I should have worn my glasses. That might have been a good idea. I'm seeing some stuff that, like, I wish I would have gotten this box. Not that I'm complaining. I still think overall it's a well-curated box. I like that there was hair, there was skin, there's makeup. I'm not seeing the Fenty product at all. So if I do find the price, I'll pop it right here for you guys and then get us a total of everything. Yeah, it's really strange. I'm not seeing it. All right, but I will go through and show you some of the items that we could have gotten. We have some Glow Recipe products, Dew of the Gods, Drunk Elephant products. So those are some of the products that we could have gotten. I can't get over that darn $125 cream. That stuff better massage itself on my face, okay? All right. Here's some more products that we could have gotten. Ooh, that truly sounds amazing too. We could have gotten a Cocoa Rose Fudge. Jumbo Whipped Body Butter. I really like that texture and consistency of like a whipped body butter. So there's an idea of pricing. Again, I will put up our total for everything. I don't know. I'm going to give it a 3.5 of 5 yellow hearts. Not my favorite, although I will say that I think overall as a collective, it was well curated. Some makeup, some hair, some skin, some really expensive products. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about the upcoming changes for IPSY and BOXYCHARM. They should have called it IPSY Charm. Gosh darn it. Yeah, that is it, beauties. Let's have a conversation down below. What did you guys think? What did you get in your box? Are we box twins? What did you hope to get? That's it. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.